guys, welcome back to my channel. So, hello. It's been a little while since I posted here. I decided kind of unintentionally to take all of October off, and I'm not quite sure how that happened. October went by so quickly for me, and I'm just not sure what happened with the whole YouTube thing. I was filming stuff and just never got around to editing and posting anything. So I am very sorry that I kind of missed the whole month, but there were reasons why I missed it. Nothing that's important or that you care about, but I was just super busy and I'm really sorry. Hopefully I'm going to get back to kind of a regular posting schedule. You know, like life happens, and unfortunately YouTube's not my job, so it can't be my top priority all the time, but anyway, I am back with another video that I am super happy and excited about, so we're gonna forget that I missed like a whole month of videos and just carry on like nothing ever happened. So as I said, I'm super excited about this video. This is for the Copic Colors like coloring challenge for November. A couple months back, I was actually contacted by Copic and asked if I wanted to participate in their challenge as like a featured artist for November. This was months and months ago. It was probably August. It was August, or I think it was August, not September. I think that was a little late. And I said, of course I said yes, because that's really cool, and it's really nice that they contacted me. So thank you to Copic for contacting me and asking me if I wanted to participate. That's really cool of you guys to reach out to artists. And so I did learn about the colors a long time ago and had a lot of time to plan what I wanted to do. This was actually something that I did film in October, but was not allowed to share it with you guys until my piece was posted on their Instagram, which it was posted a couple days ago, and I should have had this video ready, but you know, things happen, whatever. But I had all the filming done and I just had to do the editing really quick and record this commentary, which I hate doing, but you know, I did take notes while I was working on this piece, so I was kind of a little bit more prepared to record the audio for this one. So the colors for November are E37, R37, and G99, which when I first saw them back when I was initially asked, I was like, oh my gosh, they're so Christmassy. The colors are very Christmassy, even though it's still November, but I think that they look really nice together, and it was a challenge to kind of work with them to make it not look super holiday. Like, it's still kind of holiday, let's not play around, but I wanted kind of a more like late fall going into the holiday time kind of vibe, but that is kind of the theme that I was going for, was like winter foliage, like pine cones and acorns and like pine needles and poinsettias and all that fun stuff that I kind of associate with like early winter and like kind of the holiday time. So that's what I kind of went for with this like big like florally winter crown that she is wearing. The colors were kind of a challenge to use. The thing I noticed that were different in these colors as opposed to some of the other colors from different months is that there's no real value shift in the three colors themselves. They're all kind of the same value, so there's not one that's like way darker and one that's lighter, so you can kind of blend them together. They're all kind of the same value, as I've already said, so getting them to blend and create lights and darks was a little bit more of a challenge than I was expecting. But the thing I did like about these colors in particular was the way they layered on top of each other, because the red and the green are really complementary to each other, so when you layer them one way they look different, and if you layer them a different way they look totally different. So I was able to create the lights and the darks using different layering methods rather than using the colorless blender to kind of help lighten those colors a little bit. I only used the colorless blender a teeny bit on her face to kind of get that like softer edge that I wanted, but other than that I didn't use it for anything else. But these colors were really fun to use, so if you are thinking about doing the Copic Colors challenge for this month, definitely pick up this set of markers that they sell, or if you already have them, like I already had them, give it a try. These colors are a very interesting challenge, and it was a lot of fun, so thank you to Copic for contacting me and letting me participate for this month. So as I said, I'm going to be back to my regularly scheduled programming hopefully soon here. I'm going to be doing a like Inktober wrap-up video that was supposed to be this week's video, but I pushed it to next week since this was supposed, or could be posted now, and I wanted to get that out of the way. And yeah, so I'm going to have that because I did actually complete Inktober this year and I'm super proud of myself, so yay! If you have any video suggestions for me, please leave them down below. I'm looking for new things to try out towards the end of the year, so if you have anything you'd like me to do, feel free to let me know down below. And tell me how you've been, because I've missed you guys since I have been not here for so long, and I am really sorry. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week for another video. And hello to everybody new, by the way. I've gotten a lot of subscribers in October, so hi! I am going to be posting videos again, I promise. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!